My name is Kevin Perez. I'm with Carriere Family Farms, and we've been partners with Wizard in our hulling operations for over 7 years now. And we've been farming in this area since 1890. So in 6 weeks, we're rushing 20 million pounds of walnuts through this machine, and we're running it 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. It's been great working with Wizard because whenever we've had a minor problem or something go wrong, we've been able to call them, and they've been quick to first answer the phone and second to respond and give us the right solution to the problem. We put this line in several years ago, and from then to now, there's been a lot of improvements and things that they've done differently on these lines when they send it out to other customers. And when I see that, I'm always like, well, I want that, or that looks, how can we do that to make ourselves better? And they've always been there to show me the engineering drawings or give me the exact plates that I need to now put this into our system to make it up to date to everybody else's. So we're always constantly improving and trying to get things better and to get the flow to run more efficiently. And they're always there to help me along the way or give me the right part to make that happen. We take great pride in who we partner with and how we do business. And partnering with Wizard has been great. It's really helped us set ourselves apart from our competition.